Dictation of Ajmer official passage number 25 start. The provincial government may, if in its opinion the public interest so requires, revoke a license in any of the following cases, namely where the licensee in the opinion of the provincial government makes willful and unreasonably prolonged default in doing anything required of him by or under this act, where the licensee breaks any of the terms or conditions of his license, the breach of which is expressly declared by such license to render it liable to revocation, where the licensee fails within the period fixed in this behalf by his license or any longer period, with the provincial government may substitute therefore by order under subsection clause, and before exercising any of the powers conferred on him thereby in relation to the execution of works, to show to the satisfaction of the provincial government that he is in a position fully and efficiently to discharge the duties and obligations imposed on him by his license, or to make the deposit or furnish the security required by his license, where the licensee is in the opinion of the provincial government unable by reason of his insolvency fully and efficiently to discharge the duties and obligations imposed on him by his license, full stop, where the provincial government might under subsection 1 revoke a license, comma, it may instead of revoking the license impose on the licensee a penalty not exceeding 10,000 rupees and permit the license to remain in force subject to such further terms and conditions as it thinks fit to impose, and any further terms and conditions so imposed shall be binding upon and be observed by the licensee and shall be of like force and effect as if they were contained in the license, full stop, new para, where the provincial government revokes under section 4 subsection 1 the license of a licensee not being a local authority, the following provisions shall have effect, namely the provincial government shall serve a notice of the revocation upon the licensee, and where the whole of the area of supply is included in the area for which a authority is constituted, upon that local authority also, and shall in the notice fix a date on which the revocation shall take effect, and on and with effect from that date all the powers and liabilities of the licensee under this act shall absolutely cease, and determine where a notice has been served on a local authority under clause A, the local authority may within 3 months after the service of the notice and with the written consent of the provincial government by notice in writing require the licensee to sell, and thereupon the licensee shall sell the undertaking to the local authority on payment of the value of all lands, buildings, works, materials and plant of the licensee suitable to and used by him for the purposes of the undertaking other than a generating station declared by the license not to form part of the undertaking for the purpose of purchase, such value to be in case of different or dispute determined by arbitration, full stop and close.